Parkside Timber purchased its Wondai Dry Mill in 2004, completing the final piece in its hardwood sawmilling empire. Located minutes from the Wondai Green operation, the mill employs over 40 people from the local area. Parkside Timber puts a strong emphasis on remaining at the forefront of technology. Ongoing upgrades have made production more efficient and safer with a simple production flow. This has increased the output of timber to 110 cubic metres per day. Wondai Dry receives timber from all three Parkside Green operations. The Wondai Mill provides around 70% of the total input, with the remaining coming from the Theodore and Wondai Green facilities. When timber arrives from Wondai, it's unloaded and taken to the temporary storage area prior to processing. Wondai Green and Theodore timber is stripped and air-dried in the Wondai Dry Mill yard. All timber is air-dried, then further kiln drying is done depending on its intended final use. Kiln drying is a process controlling the air temperature, airflow and moisture in the air. Parkside Timber has 9 kilns which operate at a low temperature around 50 degrees, with each able to hold the equivalent of 4 semi-trailer loads of product. When the timber is ready for processing, it's put through the planer, which dresses, shapes and sizes the timber into the finished product. Immediately following the planer is the scanner. This takes images of each board, sending defect data to the optimizer, which then makes a decision about the defects and determines where the docking saw should cut. The information is then sent to the docking saw, which has the capacity to accelerate and decelerate quickly, minimising the gaps between boards and efficiently utilising the docker. To minimise wastage, these docked offcuts are converted into blocks for use in the packing of finished product. From here, all timber goes through the end matcher. For flooring and cladding products, this puts a tongue and groove in the ends of each board so they can lock together during installation. Decking is left with a plain end. The timber then flows to a sorting chain where, as part of the mill's high standard of quality control, they are checked by staff for grade and quality. Lower grade timber is removed and stacked in preparation for sale to market, with high grade timber passed through to an automatic 47-pocket bin sorter, which separates product based purely on length, sorting into 100mm increments. Once a bin is filled to its programmed number, it is discharged through the outfeed system and automatically strapped, then stacked in preparation for storage or dispatch. Parkside Timber has recently completed a 3,000 square metre under-roof storage and loading facility to house customer orders and stock. For a hardwood timber business, this leads the way in product care. All packs are covered in Parkside Timber protective wrapping before they are dispatched. At capacity, up to 6 B-double loads can be sent out daily, supplying Parkside Timber customers Australia-wide, which includes wholesalers, timber merchants and other timber manufacturers. All Parkside Timber Dry Mill products include Chain of Custody certification, which ensures the protection of environmental and ecological values, as well as the assurance of ongoing forest yields and sustainability. Parkside Timber are committed to the ongoing improvement of their mills and the production of high-quality hardwood timber products.